Today we'll prepare classic dhaba style smoky and rustic mixed dal tadka. This is a pure vegetarian delicacy, very popular among Indians, especially in dhabas. A beautiful protein packed delicacy. Do give it a try and you will love it. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell icon. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. We hope to continue this journey together. So for this dal tadka or lentil tadka, I have taken a mixture of lentils. There are 5 different types of lentils that are commonly used in India, and they are readily available in tadka mix packets. So you can have one, and I have soaked around 1 cup of tadka mix overnight, and then I'll just boil it in a pressure cooker. I have used 1.5 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'll add around 1.5 cups of water. Mix it and pressure cook it on medium to high flame for 1 whistle on high flame and 2 whistles on low flame. Wait till the pressure releases and then open the pressure cooker. And what will be the result? This comes out the result. The grains, each lentil is individually cooked to perfection. See how beautifully they have softened, yet they are separate from each other. That means they are not mashy, or they are not just in a smooth paste consistency. They are perfectly boiled to a nice good consistency. Now what I have done, I have taken here 1 large onion. I have finely chopped them, and I have just divided 80% and 20% so that I will use this in 2 parts. So here goes, I have divided my onions. 1 large onions finely chopped. In the same way, I have taken here 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. You can also take grated ginger, and I will do the same thing. I will just divide it in 2 portions in 80 and 20. I'll tell you why I am doing this, because we need to cook them in this way. This is the thing that do in dhabas, and I have taken here grated garlic around 1.5 tablespoon, and same thing I have done. 2 chopped green chilies I have taken, and either you can take finely chopped tomatoes or crushed tomatoes around 1 large. And the main ingredients of this tadka is the spices. I have used a turmeric powder around 1 teaspoon. Garam masala powder I have used here around 1.5 teaspoon, and cumin powder and coriander powder each 1 teaspoon each, and red chili powder around 1 tablespoon. You can also use Kashmiri red chili powder here, but I prefer the normal ones. And then last but not the least, kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves around 1.5 teaspoon. So to begin with, I have heated a pan here. To it I will add mustard oil around 1.5 tablespoon, and when the oil is nicely heated, I will add chopped green chili. I will just cover it so that it doesn't sputter out. Then I will add chopped garlic and chopped ginger, the ones that I had separated. The larger part I will add here, and I will saute this in medium to high flame. And when my onion, ginger and garlics are done, I will add onions. Same here, I will add the large separated part, the large one, that means the 80% we had separated, that I will add. Cook all the ginger, onions and garlic till they have release a nice smell on medium flame. And when it is done, when they turn golden, I will add the spices here. There goes my turmeric powder, then cumin powder and coriander powder, and then goes the red chili powder. As I said, you can also prefer the Kashmiri red chili powder here. Give everything a nice mix and cook it for just 1 minute till the spices are nicely done on medium flame. Then I'll add the tomatoes and around a half teaspoon of salt so that these spices mix together very well, the aromatics and the dry spices. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium to high flame till you see the spice mix is nicely roasted. See how beautifully the oil has separated. At this stage, increase the flame to highest and add the boiled tadka or the lentils that we had boiled, and I'll add here water around half cup more. I just want a slight watery consistency, and as I have increased the flame to high, cover it and let it cook for good 4 to 5 minutes or till you see these flavors have nicely mingled together. Oil has come to the top of the curry. Now give a nice mix so that some part of this curry would be smashy and some would remain whole. Now I'll add garam masala and the kasuri methi. Just leave little kasuri methi for the next tadka, and this should be the consistency, a beautiful, perfect, creamy, yet the lentils are visible and the consistency should be semi thick in this way. Now comes the dhaba part. Now what they do, this dal is ready till this stage. When we give a order, they prepare it this way. Just heat a pan to highest and add mustard oil and heat it till it becomes smoky. You can also use ghee at this stage. Then add the remaining small part that we had left of ginger, garlic, onions, and toss it on high flame. When it's done, just toss it for 30 to 40 seconds. Add tomatoes and toss it very nicely on high flame. You can see the flames, and when it's done, pour the tadka that we had prepared. What this does is that it induces the additional flavor, the smoky and the rustic flavor that we often have in dhabas, because the tadka we have already prepared, it has everything, every masala infused, and this flavoring, the second tadka, just wraps up everything, provides the extra twist, extra flavor. So this is what we get when we order, and it comes ready in minutes. So do try this, you will love this. Veg dal tadka, authentic dhaba style classic Indian recipe, and as I said, it's quite healthy, packed of proteins and very nicely prepared. And sprinkle some kasuri methi on the top, and not to forget a dollop of butter. And when you see the butter melts, it just adds to the flavor of the tadka. You can have it with roti, naan, any kind of Indian bread, or goes nice with pulao. I hope you have liked the video. Do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.